Welcome to English Literature, UGC NET. Here we are going to discuss most important questions for UGC NET exam. I hope this session will be helpful for you. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to like and share the video. Let's start. First question. Who translated Mahabharat into English verse in the 19th century? A. Edwin Arnold. B. Romesh Chandra Dutt. C. Charles Wilkins. D. K. M. Munshi. Right answer is option B, Romesh Chandra Dutt. Next question. Who translated Mahabharat into English verse in the 19th century? A. Edwin Arnold. B. Romesh Chandra Dutt. C. Charles Wilkins. D. K. M. Munshi. Right answer is option B, Romesh Chandra Dutt. Next question. The Shield of Achilles is a poem by A. W. B. Yeats. B. W. H. Auden. C. Ezra Pound. D. Louis MacNeice. Right answer is option B, W. H. Auden. Next question. The novel The Golden Notebook was written by A. Doris Lessing. B. Margaret Drabble. C. A. S. Byatt. D. Jean Rhys. Right answer is option A, Doris Lessing. Next question. In which century did the Harlem Renaissance occur? A. 18th century. B. 19th century. C. Early 20th century. D. Mid 20th century. Right answer is option C, early 20th century. Next question. The Beat Generation writers were most active during A. The 1920. B. The 1950. C. The 1970. D. The 1990. Right answer is option B, the 1950. Next question. The Prelude by Wordsworth is a A. Sonnet sequence. B. Mock epic. C. Blank verse autobiographical poem. D. Tragic ballad. Right answer is option C, blank verse autobiographical poem. Next question. The Angry Young Men movement is associated with A. Romanticism. B. Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood. C. Post-war British theatre. D. Edwardian fiction. Right answer is option C, post-war British theatre. Next question. The play Murder in the Cathedral deals with the martyrdom of A. St. Augustine. B. Thomas Becket. C. Sir Thomas More. D. John Donne. Right answer is option B, Thomas Becket. Next question. Who is the author of A Room with a View? A. Virginia Woolf. B. E. M. Forster. C. D. H. Lawrence. D. Henry James. Right answer is option B, E. M. Forster. Next question. The poem, The Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock, is a A. Romantic monologue. B. Satirical soliloquy. C. Dramatic monologue. D. Petrarchon sonnet. Right answer is option C, dramatic monologue. Next question. Which writer is associated with the theatre of cruelty? A. Bertolt Brecht. B. Jean Genet. C. Antonin Artaud. D. Eugene Ionesco. Right answer is option C, Antonin Artaud. Next question. Which of these novels is by Kazuo Ishiguro? A. Possession. B. Never Let Me Go. C. The God of Small Things. D. The Inheritance of Loss. Right answer is option B, Never Let Me Go. Next question. The Woman in White is a famous work of A. Charlotte Bronte. B. Wilkie Collins. C. Mary Shelley. D. Thomas Hardy. Right answer is option B, Wilkie Collins. Next question. Who is the central character in The Mayor of Casterbridge? A. Michael Henchard. B. Jude Foley. C. Angel Clare. D. Gabriel Locke. Right answer is option A, Michael Henchard. Next question. Which of these is a philosophical poem by Alexander Pope? A. The Dunciad. B. Eloisa to Abelard. C. An Essay on Man. D. The Rape of the Lock. Right answer is option C, An Essay on Man. Next question. The White Tiger explores. A. Colonial power in Africa. B. Dalit identity and ambition in India. C. Post-partition trauma. D. British rule in Burma. Right answer is option B, Dalit identity and ambition in India. Question for you. In Frankenstein, who is Walton? A. The scientist's assistant. B. AC captain and frame narrator. C. Victor's cousin. D. The monster's creator. Submit the right answer below in the comment box. Thanks for watching till end. Do like and share the video. Stay tuned. We will meet tomorrow with another important session.